In the words of South Korean diplomat Ban Ki-moon, migration is an expression of human aspiration for dignity, safety, and a better future. It is part of social fabric, part of our very makeup as a human family. If migration is a natural factor of the modern societies, then why do we fear foreigners who migrate to our country? The fear or the hate against foreigners is called xenophobia, and it is a severe problem. If we fight xenophobia, then it will make our world a better place to live. I come from China, a country with 56 different ethnic groups. They all have their own languages and cultures. If we accept each other, we will understand that we all have differences and we are all special in our own way. We are equal. Not accepting differences leads to divided people. Migration is especially tough, challenging, and painful for children. When they leave their country, they face serious challenges such as multiple separations from their family members, adapting to new countries and learning new languages and fitting into new schools. They should be comforted and protected by both the government and the citizens. As I'm standing here giving a speech about this problem, I want every country's government and the people everywhere to realize if we work together, we can all fight it. I hope we can make a new and improved world with strong countries, open-minded people, equality, and acceptance for all. Thank you.